If you're in the market of purchasing a Genesis, this right here, the 2015 Hyundai Genesis, aka the Genesis G80, is a 3.8 liter V6, and I paid $67.59 for an oil change. Now this right here is the actual receipt I got straight from the Hyundai dealership that I took this card for an oil change. 67 bucks is not that bad for an oil change in my opinion. I know when I first purchased the vehicle, I used to pay $32, but due to inflation and all that, it's now $67. The line items include a gasket engine oil plug for $1.80, 5 quarts of Quaker Steak 5W30 synthetic blend that cost $21.85, a service kit oil filter that was 12 bucks, and last but not least the labor, which is $24.95. And then when you add the miscellaneous charges and also taxes, it comes out to $67.59. Below $70 for a luxury vehicle for an oil change is not bad at all. However, don't think that price is going to last for a long time. I was talking to the Hyundai dealership and they're going to be building a Genesis dealership just specifically for Genesis. And I guarantee if you take that Genesis to that location, your price is definitely going to double to about $120 minimum for the simple oil change. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are paying for your oil change, because I'm really interested if I'm paying a little bit too low or a little bit too high. And I know that this will be an interesting conversation for all the Genesis owners to know and compare your oil change cost. Alright, so now that you have a better understanding of how much I pay for my oil change and how much you're going to expect to pay for an oil change on your Genesis, I really want you to know the 11 things I absolutely love about my Genesis. So I made this video right here for you. Check it out.